Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify Cashapp account without access number. This is a step-by-step tutorial key. So all that you want to do is just open your Cashapp, and when you open it, when you look at the top right hand corner, you see you have the profile. I can just tap on it. So when you tap on it, just scroll down and then come to where we have the security and privacy. Okay, and then click on it. So just tap on the security and privacy ones. It will open this one. So when it's open, just scroll through and then come to where we have the identity verification. Okay, so over here it says that verify your info to help them prevent fraud on Cashapp. So just click on the verify. Just tap it once when it happens. Once over here, you have to go by the personal info. First, you have to confirm your details, and all that you have to do is simply click on the personal info. Okay, so just tap on the personal info and it will bring you right here. The first thing that you have to do is to put in your legal name. Here, the first legal name and then the last legal name. Then just look down and then click on the next. So after that, you have to put in your date of birth. Okay, so just putting the day, the month, and then the year. Then tap on the next. This is the usual verification process. So when you tap on the next, what you have to do now is to simply put in your SS number. This is very important. The reason why Cashapp allows you to put it here is to prevent fraud and then to just help you as a customer. Okay, they will not use it for anything. They will not check your credit card and or anything. So if you have it, I recommend you put it here to verify it. But if you don't have it for any reason, the only way to go buy it without using the SS number is to just tap on the profile icon. Here, as you can see, the top right hand corner, just tap on it and then just scroll down through where we have the family. Okay, just come in and select the family, and over here what you're going to do is that you're going to create a sponsored account. So with a sponsored account, all that you need is a family member who have already registered and then verified. They catch up with their duties and their documents. Okay, and they're going to invite you to use their details to create this account. Mostly all that you have to do is to just find this family member. They will show you the invite and they will be able to register your own Cashapp account using their details, and this is allowed with the Cashapp. Okay, so the only way to go by without using the SS number is to simply go by the sponsored account. I hope you have learned something, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.